G'day, Oscar from MCCruise. Just doing a quick review of a final install that we've done on the Indian Scout. So we've been able to get onto the CanBus signals on this bike. It's taken us a little while, but we've figured it all out. I'll just walk you through what the installation is. Now this bike's already been fitted up, so we won't be showing you the step by step, but just a bit of a quick overview of where everything's laid out. Very easy installation on this bike. Everything's plug and play. So what we've been able to do, on this bike we've fitted up the above mount switch here. So this is our older switch. This will be replaced pretty soon. It just mounts straight onto the old mirror mounting here. Cable runs back down in underneath the bars and towards the back of the headlight. That's where all the brains are going to be. So you take the headlight surround off the bike and you'll find all the wiring wrapped up in this little Velcro. This is standard bike. In here we've been able to plug and play to pick up brake and also the throttle position sensor wiring. So our kit will come with the harness that will just basically plug straight into the bike's harness. And down beside the headlight here we've incorporated a bracket, a mounting bracket, into one of the existing screws, and it's just hooked onto the back of the headlight. This is our computer, just cable tied onto that bracket with a couple of Velcros, and our main connector running into the back. And finally, the last branch of the harness runs back down on the side here, down with the main harness, the bike's harness. It'll run underneath the tank, and it runs back down here and into the CAN connector back here. So really easy install. We just have to undo the back of the tank here and basically just prop it up with a piece of timber to get that harness routed underneath there. So in this install, only really moving the headlights around, fitting up the switch to the handlebar, and making this CAN communication connection down the back here. So we're about to go out and do the final programming of the computer, and there you have it. We'll have that online very, very shortly, the Indian Scout kit. Hope you guys enjoy.